Interestingly, honeybees communicate through a series of dance moves, known as the waggle dance, which conveys information about the location of food sources. Additionally, it is estimated that there are more trees on Earth than stars in our galaxy, showcasing the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Furthermore, sea otters hold hands while sleeping to prevent drifting apart, creating adorable floating rafts as they rest. Moreover, an octopus has blue blood, which helps transport oxygen in cold and low oxygen environments, a remarkable adaptation for survival.